So a little background. On social media, I was contacted by DirecTV, who wanted to give me a swag package. They noticed that I commented a lot on what we do in the shadows. So they wanted to give me some gifts concerning the show. And it looks like those gifts have arrived. I've cracked it open a bit, but we are about to find out what it actually is. Let me just open this. Whoa! Oh, wow. Get this out. Excuse me for a moment. So here it is out in the wild. It's about, if I had to guess, about 2 feet long. It's wooden. It has a lock on the side, so we could use it as a case. And inside, I get a Peak popcorn popper. You use it in the microwave. Here is a note from DirecTV. What's that? Don't want to know. You also get a corkscrew bottle opener in the shape of a bat. Oh, and you actually do get some popcorn. What's this? Well, these are M&Ms, but it looks like they spilled, and that's probably what was on the other thing, on the other box. Moving right along. I'll have to clean that up later. Oh well. And if you dig in there, it felt like just padding or cushioning, but it is actually what is it? There's something inside of it. And I got another bag, and there's these things. It feels like there's something in there. Well, unfortunately, it was another casualty. In the paper, there was, I guess, a glass, but it broke. However, we still have this. I was about to say it was a pillow, but it actually feels like it is a bag. It has stuff in it. What does it have in it? It has, oh boy, what is this? One moment, please, again. So the bag actually had a blanket in it. Look. Coming back here, you also get, it looks like, stickers, bumper stickers, or just stickers. And then the Relentless. We have the show's logo. Let me see if I could find an opening, or do I have to open it myself? Okay, a few moments later, so here's Dander, the logo. We have Bat! We have the cast, and we have just a regular human guy. Good chap. Ooh, we have another little bag. What is in that? So, no, it's a little too big for that. Hold on again. It's a kit. It's a kit to make your own vampire fangs, to put them on. I could have used this last year when I actually was Jackie Daytona for Halloween. Let's see. If you look carefully, there they are. You can see them inside of the box. I think this is supposed to be what makes it stick. So yeah, that is my swag package from DirecTV and What We Do in the Shadows. Thanks, guys.